Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm making healthy blueberry and oatmeal pancakes. They are super easy to make and they are perfect for a cozy Sunday morning. So let's begin. For these pancakes you're only going to need 5 ingredients and they are nourishing and super delicious. Honestly, they taste just as good as regular blueberry pancakes. For one portion you'll need 2 eggs, 1 banana, some oatmeal, you will need 4 tablespoons, of course the blueberries, a pinch of salt, and this is completely optional but you can also add some cinnamon. And now I'm going to add all of my ingredients to my blender cup because I'm going to use a blender for this recipe. Now blend everything until smooth. Next, heat a pan with a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil, but feel free to use coconut oil or whatever you prefer. Pour the batter into the pan to make small pancakes. Then add the blueberries on top and gently press them into the batter. I'm using about a handful of blueberries, but you can adjust this to your liking. And now it's time for the fun part. When the edges start to look slightly golden and dry, it's time to flip them. Repeat this process until all the batter is used. And this is the final result. You can serve them with honey or maple syrup, whatever you like. Personally, I love serving them with a little bit of honey and some peanut butter, but feel free to add your favorite toppings. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please consider leaving a like. It would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.